So students, in last class we had done to find the percentage. Okay, now we will learn how to convert a ratio into percent. For this you don't have to do any new thing. Recall the method of converting ratio into values, complete values. Just like that, if we are asked to find or to convert a given ratio into percent, we have to do like this. Okay, suppose we are given a ratio of two terms, and if we have to convert them into percentage, then percent of first term, or you can say A, can be evaluated by using A upon sum of both terms, that is A plus B, into 100, and then it will be converted into percentage. So add a sign of percentage. Just like that, percent of B can be evaluated. Just replace A in this place by B. Okay, you have to remove A by B. Bus. Now, in case of three terms, when three terms are given in the form of ratio, then just do like this. Means percent of A equal to, here it will be the same, okay, because we have to convert A into percent. So it will be A, but sum will be different as another term has been added, okay, that is term C. So you have to find the sum of these all three terms. Then the same process, multiply by 100, it will be converted into percentage. Okay, so look at the both formulae. They are similar. A little change has been done. That is, when the number of terms gets increased, we also increased here in the sum. Just like that, percent of B can be evaluated, and same percent of C can be evaluated. So I don't think that you can get confused or you will get any difficulty in this type of questions. If in this case, so in the case of four terms, that is A is to B is to C is to D, then just change that little, that is A plus B plus C plus D. If it is given in the form of five terms, means A, B, C, D and E, then the sum will be all changed. So I think you can do the rest on your own if such kind of problems you face in this book. So now come to the exercise. So the very first question is given like this. Okay, angle of a triangle are in the ratio this 2:4:4. We have to find value of each angle. In the second, percentage of each angle in the triangle. So the first portion of this question has been done earlier in earlier chapters, in chapter ratio. Okay, comparing quantities we have done just a few days ago. So that's just like that. We can do the first part of the solution, that is value of first angle, first term upon sum of all terms into 180 degree. As we know, the sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so you can do this and you will get the first angle is 36 degree, and just like that, second angle would be 72 degree, and the third will be the same as its ratio is same. Okay, so the angles are 80, 36, 72 and 72. But the second portion in this question is related to our current topic, that is conversion of ratio into percent. Okay, so here you have to take a good care about the solution. That is, now percent of first angle is equal to 2 upon, and the term of first angle is 2. Yeah, first term of the first angle is 2. So percentage of first angle would be 2 upon sum of the old terms. Okay, sum of the old terms, that is 2 plus 4 plus 4. So it will be 10 into 100, then add the sign of percent, so it will be cancelled by 10 tens are 100, so 10 to is 20, so it is 20%. Just like that, the percent of second angle can be evaluated and the percent of third angle. So both are the same, so both are 40% okay. Or you have an alternative solution for find the percent of first angle. You can do like this. As you got the first angle is 36 degree, so 36 upon 180 degree, we know the sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree, or you can say the sum of three angles is 180 degree into 100. Okay, I repeat, percent of first angle can be evaluated as this solution. Okay, that is the value of the first angle by the sum of all angles into 100. The same answer you will get, that is 20%. So you can do this. Okay, you can do this also. Choice is yours. Yeah. Now the next question is related to our dietary. Okay, means to say, whenever you have eaten halwa in your life, you have got the taste of ghee, besan, sugar and water. Okay, so this question is related with halwa. What does it say? That when your mother asks you to cook halwa, then she will instruct you to add or to take 1 part of ghee, 1 part of besan, 1 part of sugar and 4 parts of water. Then you can make halwa. So the same question is related here. Means to say, you have to find the percentage of each material in the halwa. Means ghee, besan, sugar and water. So percent of ghee you have to find. Then part of ghee upon sum of all parts into 100. So it is 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4. So collectively it is 8, 1 upon 8 into 100. Thus we got the part of ghee is, percent of ghee is 12.5%. Just like that, you can find the percent of besan, that is 1 upon 8 into 100. So we got 12.5%, same as to the percent of ghee. But percent of sugar will be different than the former, that is 2 upon 8 into 100. So thus you got 25%. Just like that, the percent of water is 50%. Thus you have to write a closing statement at the end of the solution, that is, hence the percent of each material are 12.5, 25 and 50% in the halwa. Okay, so just like that you can do the questions. I think the rest questions here. See question number 5. The total number of topies is 25. Percentage of vibhor is 40% and percentage of miku is 60%. We have to find number of toffees for vibhor. Okay, so percent of vibhor upon sum of percent into total toffees. So we would get like this, 40 upon 40 plus 60 into 25. So we would get the number of toffees for vibhor is 10. Similarly, number of toffees for miku would be like this. Just change the related datas. Okay, data related to miku will be put here, that is percent of miku upon sum of percent into 25. Thus we got 15. So number of toffees for miku is 15. So this is the way you can solve the word problems related to percentage or related to the conversion of ratio into percent. Okay, I hope you could understand the related discussion, and you have to solve the rest on your own. Okay, Now we will begin a new topic, that is increase or decrease as percentage. Means to say, if anything increases or anything decreases, then how can we find how much percentage is increased or how much percent is decreased? So we have a very simple and to the point formula, you can say, that is percentage of increase equal to increasing amount. Means to say how much it is increasing upon original amount or the previous year amount. Original means to say what was before increasing or before decreasing, that is known as original amount. Means to say origin means what was at the beginning, or previous year amount. It is related to the questions for time period. Okay, so into 100 and then add a sign of percentage. I repeat, if you are required to find the percentage increase, then you have to look for the increasing amount upon original amount or previous year amount. Okay, means to say the amount before increasing. Okay, into 100. In the case of decreasing, just relate these 2 points. Decreasing percent means to say decreasing amount, but the denominator will be the same as the previous. Okay, original amount or previous year amount into 100. So you have to relate these both terms simultaneously. It means to say, if you need to find percentage increase, then increasing amount, percentage decrease, then decreasing amount. Okay, now come to the problems. Yes, solve examples. You have to see this on your own. We will come to the exercise. So the very first question related to the percentage increase or decrease, that is question number 6. It says games won last year. Means to say in the last year they had won the games. They are 8. And in this year they won the games that are in the number 10. Means to say it is obviously increasing. So we need to find the percentage of increase or increase percentage. So percentage of increase, remember that when increase is related, so it will be increasing amount. So you can do like this: simply increasing amount or number upon previous number into 100 percentage. So increasing amount is So first we need to find the increasing amount, that is 10 minus 8 is to 2. So therefore the percentage of increase would be increasing amount upon original amount or previous year amount into 100 percentage. So put that value, increasing amount, just a moment ago we have just found, that is 2. So 2 upon original was 8 into 100. So it is 2 fours 8 and 25 fours 100, we know it. So percentage of increase equal to 25%. Thus write a closing statement at the end of the solution, that is hence the percentage of increase is 25%. So this is your answer. Okay, thus you can do the rest